In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a row in Glide Tables. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable with the process. First things first, you need to fire up your browser. Once it's open, simply type Glide Apps into the search bar and hit Enter. Glide is an incredibly resourceful platform that allows you to create the apps you need without any coding knowledge. When you see the official Glide website in the search results, go ahead and click on the link to enter their site. Once you're on the Glide homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and sign in. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward. Follow the prompts to get set up. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select an app that you've already developed or maybe one that you're currently working on. The app you choose should contain a table because that's where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed and open the app you're going to work with. Inside your chosen app, you'll be directed to the Layout section. This Layout section is where all the design and customization happens. Take a look at the menu options on the left-hand side and find the one labeled Actions. Once you're there, you'll need to make sure a specific setting is enabled. Look for the toggle that says, Allow users to delete items. Ensure this option is turned on. This setting is crucial because, without it, you or anyone else won't be able to delete any of the rows in your tables. With the permissions now properly configured, it's time to identify the row you wish to delete. Navigate to the screen displaying your data tables. Here, you'll see all the rows that your app's users can interact with. Go ahead and scroll horizontally all the way to the right. This will help you access the additional controls associated with each row. Once you've found the row you want to delete, look for the ellipsis icon. It resembles 3 dots. This icon is your gateway to more options. Click on it, and you should now see the Delete option appearing on your screen. By selecting this, you can now remove the row entirely from your table. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to delete a row in Glide Tables. With these instructions, you should be set to manage your data as needed seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.